Hi, this is the HOTWAV 8 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So tap to Play Store application and on the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. Then just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So let's do it one more time. Maybe it's something here with the internet connection. Just have check. Connected. Okay, let's once again find the green Apple keyboard. Okay, it's installed. So tap the open button and now we should click here to enable in settings. Click to the green Apple keyboard and tap twice to OK. Now just go back and tap to switch input methods which are currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our new keyboard look and we could see that our keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.